Okay, here we are, year 11, January, a 2021 Dodge Durango SRT, Mopar no car, full hood PPF with all vents removed as well as wiper nozzles for the cleanest possible install and look. As you can see, we've achieved our goal of not being able to tell there's film on the car from 3 feet up. Cquartz Professional Ceramics layered on all the paint. Opticoat Pro on the wheels. We'll be doing the front bumper PPF when the software has the kit available. Xpel Prime XR Plus on the 2 front windows. All door sills got PPF, all door cups got PPF. Looking amazing. This owner has done a variety of vehicles with us. We're very thankful for his business. And we also coated all the gorgeous leather in Optiguard ceramics.